We are joined right now by Dr. Todd Ellerin, Director of Infectious Diseases at South Shore Health. Doc, it's always great to see you. Thanks for your time. There are dozens of COVID-19 vaccine trials that are happening all around the world, but 3 candidates here in the United States have been in the news recently. All have either started phase 3 trials or will do so soon. So the question is it possible that we're moving too quickly here?
Hi, Ed. So certainly when you hear something called Operation Warp Speed, you may think that it's too quick. But I think the important thing to know is the design of these trials are similar to designs we've had in the past. So in the phase 3 trials, tens of thousands of patients are going to be randomized to the actual vaccine versus placebo. So we should have a lot of patients to see whether this vaccine, these vaccines are safe and effective before the FDA gives a stamp of approval or not.
What exactly are they looking for? What are they evaluating in this phase 3 period?
Yeah, that's an important question. So they're looking for effectiveness as well as safety. But when I say effectiveness, it's not just whether patients get infected with COVID-19 or not. It's also another endpoint that's very important, which is severity of disease. So it's possible that even if they don't meet the 50% effectiveness for actually acquiring the virus, it's possible that as long as the vaccine prevents severe infections by 50%, the FDA could approve based on that as well. So there's really 2 primary endpoints that they're going to look at.
Doctor, let's talk about the turnaround time for the free COVID-19 tests here in Massachusetts. It's still 48 hours, 72 hours, some cases longer. That's a long time to wait for results. Schools are about to start again. Do we need a different testing strategy? I mean, how are they going to reconcile those 2 things?
It's really an important point, Maria. I mean, I think that we need multiple different types of tests depending on where you are. So if you're in an academic center, a community hospital, you're tied to labs that can do these sensitive PCR, these molecular-based tests with rapid turnaround. That's good. But for the general public, we really need tests that may be less sensitive, but have rapid turnaround times, are still good, and tests that we can repeat over time. I think we are going to have to move in different directions.
Let's talk about where we are in the calendar. The CDC says that people can start getting vaccinated for the flu next month, but historically only about half of Americans actually will do that. So why is it important for more people to get that shot this year?
Yeah, so it's more important than ever. Why? Because we know that we're going to be dealing with 2 different viruses. This is really 2 viruses that could potentially collide, influenza and, of course, COVID-19. The symptoms can look similar. The flu shot doesn't prevent COVID-19, but it's important for us to get the flu shot so we have a less likelihood of getting the flu and having more severe illness from the flu. Also remember that in China, patients who got both COVID-19 and influenza did particularly poorly. So we want to try to prevent that.
So it's possible to have the flu and COVID-19 at the same time?
Absolutely. In the initial studies in Wuhan, about 5% of patients did, and those patients had particularly severe illness. So it's really important to get the flu shot this year.
All right, Dr. Todd Ellerin, South Shore Health, as always, be well, and thank you for your insight and your expertise. Thank you, Doctor.
Great to see you, Doc. Be well.